Another feature of Flipgrid is the ability to highlight all of the best videos that your students have created. So when you log into Flipgrid and you land on your My Grids landing page, if you come over to Mixtapes, this is where you're going to be able to sort of put a grid together and pull all the video responses from any one of your grids and any one of your topics. This is a really good idea if you perhaps want to review for a midterm or a final exam and you want to pull responses that students have responded to for other topics that were just covered. Or if you want to showcase a bunch of different videos and share this link with parents, this is another good use for Mixtapes. And if you're a child of the 80s like I am, you will appreciate the name that they gave it. Love it. Mixtapes. Okay, anyway. So what you're going to do, the first thing you're going to do to create a mixtape is click on New Mixtape, and you're going to fill in the details for it. So for this one, we'll just call this the best of 2019. And over here, the flip code, just like when you created a grid, you can modify this if you want. But what it does have to have is a plus sign after flipgrid.com /. So you see the plus at the beginning of the flip code is a special way of knowing that this is a mixtape code. So you can fix it if you want, if it allows you to. And then down here, you can put a description as to what is going to be contained in this, but you do not have to. And then down here where it says password protection, you might want to put this on and create a password protection, and then whoever you're going to be given the link to view this mixtape, they would be required to put in the code just for privacy concerns. I'm just going to leave it off for now, and then I'm going to hit create. Okay, so now we have our mixtape and it's ready, and we're ready to add videos to your mixtape. The way that you would normally do this is go back into My Grids and go into the topics, and you can pull videos from there. But it also has a feature over here if there's any videos that were recently done that you would quickly want to make available and put into your mixtape, you can do that. So let's say, for instance, this one here I want to add. So what you're going to do is click on Actions and then click Add to Mixtapes. It'll ask you which one do you want to put it into. I'm going to click on Best of 2019, Add, and you got it. Okay, you can do that with any of the ones here, but if you use Flipgrid a lot, you're not going to see all the video responses. So the way that you would add to your mixtape is you would go to the grid and the topic. And then what you're going to do, let's say if I go down to here and I have a whole bunch of responses, all you need to do is click next to where the video that you want to include in your mixtape, click Actions, and you see there's always going to be an option that says Add to Mixtape. So you will click on that, choose which one you want it to go to, click Add, you got it. Once you have it kind of built up with the videos that you want to share, go back over to Mixtapes. You click on Share. Here's the URL. Copy it. Remember, if you did generate a password for this, that's something you will need to provide to your students or parents, whoever you're sharing this with. You copy it, and then when somebody goes to this link, we'll just open up another browser so we can see what it looks like. You'll see this is what it will look like. So you can pull responses from any one of your topics, any one of your grids, and then put them all on one page. And it's pretty simple.